Hi beautiful, if you have been looking for a natural cost effective way to grow your lashes at home, then this video is for you. Today I am going to show you how to make DIY lash growth serum using just a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. So let's get started. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about why making your own lash growth serum can be awesome. Not only can you customize the ingredients, but you will also know exactly what's going into the serum. No harsh chemicals or hidden ingredients, plus it's super affordable and easy to make. Alright, let's talk about the ingredients you will need for this lash growth serum. You only need 3 key ingredients. Number 1, castor oil. It's known for its ability to nourish and strengthen lashes, helping them grow longer. Number 2, aloe vera gel. This helps to repair and protect your lashes while also adding a healthy shine. Number 3, coconut oil. It's help to moisturize and nourish your lashes, and it's rich in fatty acids that help promote hair growth. Now let's get to making the serum. First, grab a small glass container or an empty mascara tube. You can easily find this online, or you can reuse any old mascara wand. Just make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. So firstly, start by adding 1 tablespoon of castor oil to the container. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If it's solid, you can melt it down a little bit before adding it. And finally add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. This will give your lashes that extra boost and keep them nourished. Give it a good shake to mix everything up, and that's it. Now that we have made our lash serum, let's talk about how to apply it. I like to use a clean mascara wand or an eyeliner brush for a more precise application. Here's what you need to do. Dip the wand or brush into the serum and gently swipe it along your upper lash line, just like you would apply eyeliner. Make sure to coat each lash from roots to tip. Apply the serum every night before bed and remember to be consistent. You can also apply this serum on your eyebrows for grow your brows as well. And be patient. It can take a few weeks to start seeing noticeable growth, so stay consistent with your application. Don't forget to remove your makeup before applying the serum. Clean lashes will absorb the nutrients better. And if you have sensitive eyes or skin, do a patch test before using this serum all over your lash line. And that's it. Your DIY lash growth serum is ready to go. It's super simple and you can start using it tonight for healthier, longer lashes. Let me know in the comments if you try this out and how it's worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beauty tip. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.